Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set power off timer for your speaker QCY SP7. You have to start by open QCY application, and of course you need to add your speaker to the app. Then you will see the same menu. You need to go to the settings at the middle top, so you can click on it or just swipe like me. And right here at the first line we have timing power off. Click at this line, and now you can select a time, let's say 15 minutes, and after that time your speaker will turn off. If you decide to change this time, now you need 16 minutes, so you just tap at this. You can also go to the custom time and set more than 90 minutes. So let's say I need to 150. OK, and now we have this. Right now at the bottom we have a button power off right now. If you want to turn off it right now, you can click on it. Now, when you set a timer and decide that, OK, I don't want to right now power off my speaker, you can click not activate and you will disable this timer. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!